Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create an amazing pattern design using simple steps in Adobe Illustrator. Set the artboard size to 1080 by 1080. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle the same size as the artboard. Then go to the Object menu, choose Path, and click Split into Grid. Add 12 rows and 12 columns. Select 4 boxes, hold the Alt key, and drag to make a copy of them. Use the Direct Selection tool to round the corners. Apply different colors to each shape. Select all, right-click, and choose Group. Right-click again, go to Arrange, and select Bring to Front. Now select everything. Go to the Fill menu. Choose Script, and click Replace Items. The link to this script is mentioned in the description of the video. A tutorial on how to install the script is already uploaded. You'll find the link in the description. Use these settings and hit OK. Select all, go to Recolor Options. And you can change the colors with just one click. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.